Hi, I'm Nyla Nora. Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to practice our hip twist, which is just one essential movement in my basics playlist. Let's go. Let's review our basic posture very quickly. So, feet are hip width distance. My knees are soft, my tailbone is down and long, pelvis engaged, shoulders back and down, chest open. Openness through my midsection, arms out to the side, elbows down, energy through the fingers. So, with our hip twist, I'm going to use my core a lot to isolate this movement and keep my chest still. So I'm going to bring that right hip forward towards the right front 45. My left hip is facing towards the back 45 of the room. And then I'm going to pull that right hip back and bring my left hip towards the front left 45. I'm going to really work on isolating my chest. This is really important with this one. Right now we're working with it over the center line of our body, so our weight is equal between our feet. Really use your core and don't forget to breathe. And pull that hip front and back. Yes. Very good. I really feel this in my core, and it's really important to keep breathing. This eventually becomes the washing machine shimmy when you get really fast, and then you really need to breathe because you'll cramp. Yeah. So you can either think of driving the hip forward or pulling it back. Back, 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 or forward, 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 forward. Yep. Keep breathing. Hands and arms are isolated. All right, let's do triples. Right, left, right. Left, right, left. Right, left, right. Left, right, left. Right, left, right. Left, right, left. Shake it out, shake it out, shake it out. Okay, great job. Thank you for practicing your hip twist with me. There's more movements coming in this playlist and more movements to practice right now. Please like, subscribe, comment, and share. I'll see you next time. Thanks.